Hello, this lesson is dedicated to a song, a Nina Nana. So it's a little song that we sing to children when they are really little to make them fall asleep. And I will put it in another video, the song. But now I'm going to sing it for you. It's really small, and then we will do the translation about it. It says like this. Qingji vogël pse mendueshëm bebeban, pse më flet ashtu trishtueshëm bebe. Qingji vogël pse mendueshëm bebeban, pse më flet ashtu trishtueshëm bebe. Eja bashkë të shkojmë në arë, tring, tring, tring. Unë mbledh lule ti habarë, tring, tring, tring. Eja bashkë në arë, tring, tring, tring. Unë mbledh lule ti habarë, tring, tring, tring. Okay, this is the song. And now let's translate it. So it speaks about a little lamp. So Qingji I vogël. Qingji is the lamp. I vogël, little. So Qingji I vogël, a little lamp. Pse, why? Mendueshëm is an adverb and it means thinking. So, little lamp, why thinking? Bebe is what the lamp makes. And bun, it means does. So he does, be. So, little lamp, why thinking? Bebe does. Qingji vogël, pse mendueshëm, bebe ban. Then, pse më flet, ashtu trishtueshëm. Pse më flet ashtu trishtueshëm. Why are you talking to me like that? Sadly. So pse, why? Më flet, you are talking to me. Ashtu, like that. Trishtueshëm is an adverb and it means sadly. Trishtueshëm. So, Qingji vogël, pse mendueshëm, be bën, pse më flet ashtu trishtueshëm, be. Then it continues with eja, come. Bashkë, together, në arë, in the field. Eja, bashkë, në arë. Tring, tring, tring is the ringing of the bell that the lamp has. Unë mbledh lule, I will pick up flowers. Unë mbledh lule. E ti, and you, bar, and you eat grass. Bar is grass, eat, to eat. So, let's say it again. Qingji vogël, pse mendueshëm, be bën, pse më flet ashtu trishtueshëm, be. Eja, bashkë në arë, tring, tring, tring. Unë mbledh lule, e ti bar, tring, tring, tring. Okay, I hope you liked it, and I will put also the real song in the video, and I hope you like it. Goodbye.